Hi there, Chris here. Just a quick video on this VIRO padlock. It's made in Italy, and this is really a copycat video because Brummy just posted one, and I think it's damn near the same lock and bitting. I have polished mine up, but I think that's the only difference. And unfortunately, somebody has scratched a little number on this. But it is a gorgeous logo, if I can get this thing to focus. And there's the key. And I think it's damn the same bitting. His is extremely flat and mine is extremely flat. So I don't think I can pick it as fast as he picked his, but we'll give it a shot. So we'll get down here and focus. So I'm just going to use top of the keyway and a monkey paw. So there's a little bit of play in there. Must be a spool or two. But it's not too tough to pick. It's all flat bitting. Now he was in his already. One is good, two is good, I think. 3, 4, 5. All right, who is it? Maybe I overset somebody. There we go. I think that was 1. So yeah, I agree, Brummy. This is a really cool, very cool logo. Made in Italy. Oh, there's that scratching again. Don't scratch on your locks. Anyway, check out Brummy. And I'm going to show a real good picture of the bitting. It's very flat. I'm wondering if this key would open his. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great Friday. I'm feeling better, which is good. And we'll see you next time.